In the criminal justice system, sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous. In New York City, the dedicated detectives who investigate these vicious felonies are members of an elite squad known as the Special Victims Unit. These are their stories.
I love Law & Order SVU. Law & Order is a police procedural show created by Dick Wolf for NBC. SVU is a spin-off that far surpasses the original Law & Order by talking about way heavier subject matter like sexual assault. My mom loves watching all those police procedurals. I watched a ton of them growing up, everything from CSI to Miami Vice to Columbo. SVU always seemed special. I don't want to oversell this series because at this point there might be more bad episodes than good, but it works in a way no other police show can. First, there's the scope, and this applies to all variations of Law & Order. Because the police angle is only half the show, the other half is the courtroom drama, so most other cop shows have to wait until the end to catch the bad guy. In Law & Order, sometimes they'll catch him at the end, sometimes they'll catch him early on, and the rest of the episode will be the trial. A lot of politics can get involved, sometimes the bad guy even gets away, and it can be pretty dramatic because the victims tend to be alive. That's what separates SVU in particular from the dime a dozen cop shows. Everyone else is fighting gangsters and catching killers, but the members of the SVU have to actively deal with the high emotions and trauma of the victims who just had the worst days of their lives. And they have to walk that line between following the letter of the law and doing the right thing, and sometimes that line gets pretty blurred. I even remember one episode where the victim they were trying to help ended up being a criminal himself, and the team was divided on how to proceed in the presence of a vigilante. Just on a pure conceptual basis, Law & Order SVU has way more mileage than CSI or NCIS, and it's made better when the characters are actually good. Olivia may be insufferable in recent seasons, but Elliot, Munch, Wong, and Ice-T are still engaging with their own drama going on in the backgrounds, and their own perspectives on things. And that's why I love Law & Order SVU.